is for beginners who are new to automation and want to learn how to set up Selenium in Windows and know how to code in Selenium. So, Selenium is an automation framework, or you can say automation tool, which is used to automate web applications and websites. So, for this, you should first have the basic idea of Java, which is a programming language. So, first, I would tell you that how to install Java on your computer. So for installing Java, you will have to go to oracle.com and download the JDK from there. So you can download the latest version, which is 9, or you can also download the previous version, that would be 8 or 7. So after installing Java, you should go to command prompt and check whether you have installed Java properly or not. So you just have to write the command java c version, and it will just fetch up the details. Like in my system currently Java 8 is installed. So from this you can get the idea if you have properly installed Java on your system or not. The next thing which we need for setting up Selenium is Eclipse IDE, which can be downloaded from this website eclipse.org, and the Eclipse would be downloaded like this one. And next thing is download the Selenium Java client driver, which can be downloaded from seleniumhq.org. And this, go to this area and language would be Java, and click on download. This will download all the client requirements for Selenium. So it will be downloaded on your whichever location you have specified, and it would be downloaded like this. In the libs you will having all the libraries required for running Selenium. The next thing which you need is configuring Eclipse IDE, which you have installed in step 2, and configure it with Selenium Webdriver. So for this, just open Eclipse, which you have downloaded, and this is a project which I have already created. And for this, you'll have to go to File and create a new Java project. You can write any name, first Selenium project, and use an existing execution environment JRE. JDK is 1.8 here, so you just click finish, and a new project will be created. Inside that there is a source package, or you can create your own package also. So let's say I create a package here and name it Selenium package 1. Click on finish. So my package has been created, and inside that I will be creating a new class, Java class. So I will write it first Selenium class. So this would be public, and you need to just check these boxes. Public static void main, this for those who know Java, they know what is public static void main, and for others I will be creating videos on this part also. So you just check these items and click on finish. A new Java class will be created. So in this class, in this main method, you will be writing all your code for Selenium, and I have already created a sample class for you. So in this, what I'm doing is I've just created a class running test on different browser, and inside that I have public static void main, which has been created by default, and inside that I have written my code. So in this code I have defined a string variable, and I have written a path over here, string IE path, and I have given a string. In this string I have provided the path of Internet Explorer driver, which I have downloaded from the same Selenium HQ website, which is this one. So for running your Selenium code or Selenium automation code on different browsers, you need to have different browsers. Like suppose you want to run your application or website automation into some Chrome driver, or into Internet Explorer, or let's say Mozilla Firefox. So for all these you will have to get different drivers which can be downloaded from here. So I have already downloaded two of them, like Chrome driver and Internet Explorer driver. So going back to my code, I have defined here the path of Internet Explorer driver, which is this one, this path, and this path is here, and slash iedriver.exe, which is the name of this particular driver. So after that, I will set the property system.setProperty webdriver.ie.driver and give IE path as a parameter inside setProperty. This will set the property for the WebDriver to open Internet Explorer. So into that, after that I will just I'm just defining a WebDriver instance and creating a new object of Internet Explorer driver. After that, I will use this instance and dot get method. This is from Selenium, and dot get method will and we can pass a string parameter for opening up any website. I have provided here www.google.com. So what it will do, iDriver.get, this string will just get me Google open up. So we'll try and run this application. So my program has started running and it is opening up a Internet Explorer browser, and it has opened google.com, which I have provided here. So I will comment out this code, and I've created another for opening up Chrome browser and fetching google.com. So similarly, I have provided here first Chrome path. This is a variable, you can write any name over here, and d selenium driver slash chrome driver.exe. This is the full path of the Chrome driver, which I have downloaded from Selenium HQ. So in this, then again system.setProperty will set up property for Chrome driver for launching Chrome web browser, and Chrome path is the same which I have provided here. Then I will create a WebDriver instance, and the object will be created for Chrome driver. Then Chrome driver instance dot get google.com will open up my Chrome browser and then enter this URL google.com. So we'll try to run this. My program has started running, and you can see here that Chrome browser has opened up and it has passed www.google.com and fetching me the results. Now you can do different things over here. You can just write the code for maximizing this one and then closing the browser automatically. This way we'll learn in the further classes. So that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and the links for downloading all these will be provided in the description. Thank you.